Hello. Are you new here?
Yes. I just moved here last week.
Welcome. What's your name?
My name is Sarah. And you?
I'm Mike. Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Mike.
Do you like this city?
Yes, it's beautiful and the people are kind.
That's good to hear. If you need any help, just ask me.
Thank you so much. You are very kind.
You're welcome. Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. Yes, I'd like a cup of coffee, please.
Sure. Would you like it hot or cold?
Hot, please.
Do you want any sugar or milk?
Yes, a little sugar and some milk.
Okay. Here is your coffee.
Thank you so much. How much is it?
It's $2.
Here you go.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Hi. What are you doing here?
Hi, I'm just walking my dog.
Ah, your dog is so cute.
What's its name? Thank you. His name is Max.
How old is Max?
He's 3 years old.
That's nice. I love dogs too.
Really? Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat at home.
That's great. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm good too. What's your name?
My name is John. What's your name?
My name is Alex. Nice to meet you, John.
Nice to meet you too, Alex.
Where are you from, John?
I'm from New York. And you?
I'm from London. Do you work or study?
I am a student. I study computer science. What about you?
I work in a company as a graphic designer.
That's great. Thank you.
Have a nice day, John.
You too, Alex. See you soon.